Hey guys, welcome to Leetcode along. In this video we're going to be talking about the product of array except self problem on Leetcode. It's a medium question, and let's get started. We have an array of nums, an integer array of nums, and we have to return an answer such that it's equal to the product of all elements of nums except nums at the index that we're populating, basically. Goal is to write this in O of n time, and we can't use a division operator. So let's get started with an example. So let's say we have 1, 2, 3, 4, right? The step 1 would be to multiply each index with its prefix values. So what would that look like in our case? It would be 1, and then 2's prefix is 1, 3's prefix would be 2 times 1, which is 2, and then 4's prefix would be 1 times 2 times 3, which would be 6. So then we get 1, 1, 2, and then 6. Step 2 is to multiply the postfixes, which is the other side of each index, right? Multiply postfixes to the prefix index in the result array. So that would give us 1 times 24, 1 times 12, 2 times 4, and 6 times 1. So that's basically our result array, and the last step would be to return this array. So let's start coding this. So first let's initialize an array that's equal to the length of the nums in terms of the length. We're just initializing it with 0, but we're going to change that. Prefix value is 1, and now let's go in a for loop. For I in range 0 to length of nums. Result at I equals prefix times equals the nums at I. Right, and then now let's go into the postfix. So postfix initially is 1, and now we have to actually initialize an array that goes in like negative order, basically. Wait, no. So now we have to initialize a for loop that goes in decreasing order, right? The range should be decreasing. Starts at length of nums minus 1, and it goes all the way to 0. So then we should put minus 1 because it's not inclusive, and another negative 1 just so that the for loop knows that it has to go in decreasing order. Result with times equals the postfix. Postfix times equals the nums array at the index I. Return result, and then let's submit that and see if the test case passes. Boom, test case passed. And there we go, we've completed it. That's how you do the product except self. So thanks for checking it out, guys. Peace.